So, thank you very much. Excuse me po. Hello mga kaklasheng and welcome to my vlog. So as promised, ito yung second part ng ating video kung saan tayo ay mag-unbox ng ating vlogging kit. So actually guys, itong vlogging kit na to ay pinabili ko parang 2 months ago. Kaya kasi hindi ko pa alam kung when will I start vlogging. Kaya hindi ko talaga siya binubuksan. Pero one day, isang araw, na-tempt ako na gusto kong makita yung loob. So, ang ginawa ko, tinanggal ko yung plastic ng box. But then, eventually, nagbago yung isip ko. Sabi ko, why should I open it? Dapat i-open ko to dun sa aking first video. Dun sa aking pilot episode. O, taray, di ba? Pilot episode ko ngayon. So, eto na siya, guys. This is the Comica Professional Audio Equipment. So, tingnan natin.
Few moments later. One eternity later.
Ang hirap na ma-open. Okay, meron siyang
Wow!
talagang kit. Meron siyang bag. So, let's open the bag. Okay, so ayan yung laman niya, guys. Ganyan siya. O, diba? I like it. And ito yung other side. So, dito yung this is the user manual. Let's take a quick look. Mukhang hindi naman siya mahirap i-assemble. Mga kaklasheng. So, ito na yung parts. Ito yung tripod. Ito yung cellphone holder. This is the microphone. This is the ball head. And this is the wind muff. Itong wind muff, if you're going outside tapos mag-record ka, ilalagay mo ito kapag ka windy para hindi ma-record yung windy noise dun sa video mo. So, ayan mga kaklasheng. Let's do this! So, first, i-attach natin yung microphone sa cellphone holder. Like this. Oops. That. Okay. Quick and easy. And then, yung ating ball head. So, gawin natin ganyan. And then, of course, ang ating tripod. And voila! So, ang ating stopping ay finish na. Before I forget, may kasama pala siyang audio cable na ikakabit mo sa microphone and towards your smartphone. So, ayan na guys. So, I think, mga kaklasheng, our kit is complete. So, we are really ready to explore the beauty of Vienna, Austria. So, I hope that you're going to walk with me. And on my next vid, we will explore the beauty of the inner city. Woo! So, thank you very much. Excuse me po. Nakakati pala ng lalamunan yung mag-assemble. So, wait lang tayo ng water. So, ayun nga guys. Thank you very much for watching. And kung bago kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga latest videos ko. So, always remember, life is good because God is good. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye. One day, isang araw, pilot episode. O taray, diba? Ito pilot episode pang lalala. Ang hirap niyang ma-open. So, thank you very much. Excuse me po. Nakakakati pala ng lalamunan ng mag-assemble.